How to Draw Doey the Doughman from, you guessed it, Poppy Playtime, Chapter 4. Let's do it. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to start with his head, okay? So right now we're going to draw a curve right here, and Doey's head is a circle, like almost a complete circle. So if you want, you can do this in chunks. You don't have to be able to draw a perfect circle. I know in marker it can be kind of like, scary, but you can do something like that. Just kind of take your time, make it easy on yourself, right? And we can keep going all the way around, kind of make it complete there. Gonna go down over here, right there, down over here, right on. We're not gonna put his face in quite yet. I'm gonna go over here for his shoulder, curve, shoulder on this side, curve. And now we're gonna kind of look at this big tummy he has, right? This big stomach. So curve over here, curve over here. All right. We're gonna go downward over here for his foot, up. Curve right here for his lower stomach. Then go over here on this side. And like I said, you just want to be close enough. You don't have to be exact. It doesn't have to be super, super exact, right? You just want to close enough. Like you can tell what's going on. That's pretty much all you need. Go over here now. Curve, he's going to be waving with one hand. Line over here. He's got like these marshmallow-like fingers. So right here, here's the thumb. Line over here for the palm. Right there, finger, line, finger, line, finger, right there. The palm right here has a little curve. You can kind of see the shape of the palm, right? So, like I said, so far so good. Hopefully you like the way, we're teaching here. If you do like that, please hit the like. It makes a huge difference when you do. A huge difference. All right, let's go over here now. We're going to go curve over here. Curve line over here for the thumb right there. He's got his hand on the side. Line right here, up. Line right here, up. Line right here, up. Curve right there. Okie dokie. And let's draw his hat. All right. So over here, imagine like a hot dog sitting on his head. That's the first shape. And then above that, like an arch, right? Like almost like a gravestone shape, something really simplistic. So he's gonna have little hand marks on his body, and so that's what we're gonna do right now. They're painted on, or they're mixed up, whatever. So a line right there. If you want to make it thinner, you can. The line. Curve right here. Finger. Line right here. Up. Up, up. It's the same kind of hand right there. It's just, but you don't have to make it that 3D. You don't have to make it, like I said, you just want to like the hand print, right? Not like a hand print, but like it's drawn on there, right? Like it's not 3D, where this more is. Okie dokie. Let's go over here on this side. Line right there. And these don't have to be exact. You can kind of wiggle it around. It's not like this really don't have to be exact. Curve right here. Line, curve, curve, curve. Line right there. Up. Curve. 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 And then we're gonna kind of curve over here along this side, right? Because it's looking like it's almost like not like a peace sign, but it looks like these hands are all reaching, around and stuff like that, and they're kind of like gonna link in the middle. That's kind of the way I see this, with Doey, Poppy Playtime and stuff like that. All right, so let's kind of go over here now. Curve right there. All right. Okie doke. Let's go into his face now. That's kind of the most important part of him, right? And you see that a lot. So we're going to draw, well, let's draw the mouth first. Curve over here on one side for a smile. Curve over here for the other side. And I'm going to kind of curve this line in a similar manner to that circle. Line over here. All right. And let's go over here to the top. Curve right there for the eye. He's kind of doing this like squinty, like, you know, like happy, like ha ha ha. You know what I'm saying? We're going to go over here on this side. Same thing. We got to fill these in. You have to. Because they have to look, you know, like deep. And the way to do that is to show that there's not a lot of light reaching because it's like hollowed out or whatever. Makes them look creepy in, you know, that's the way they designed him, right? To make him look kind of scary, and that's the whole point of the whole thing. Gonna go over here, take our time, just make it slow, chill, mellow. We're gonna do one more thing after this, and then you'll have a completed version. Completed Poppy Playtime character. Completed. 1 second, go over here. We're going to keep it going right there. You can do it faster than me. Probably, especially if you have pencil, I think it's probably going to be a lot faster. So, last thing is, we're going to create a little bit of a thick line on the outside border of this character. We're just going to make a thicker line right out here. Like so. One right here. Downward, curve around the corner, up, line across, downward, line over here, line up, line over there. Gonna go around here. If you're here at this point, like if you're still watching, you're amazing, because most people stop watching videos in general, right, out of all of YouTube. We kind of stop watching on the 30-second mark, right, or even faster. So if you're still here, say hi to me. Say, hey, how's it going in the comments? And I'll know that you stayed the whole time. That you stayed through the whole thing. You're amazing. You're one of the few. You're one of the elite. So definitely say what's up. How's it going? Let me know. And I will talk to you. Okay, hold on. We're almost done. And that's it. Please share the video if you can. If you did enjoy it, definitely share it anywhere. It makes a huge difference. And you are like amazing, honestly, just for being here. Thanks so much. I'll see you later, and stay here for the next video. All right, let's go right into the next video right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.